Gather your ingredients for this healthy meal. Here are your ingredients. 1 onion, 1 orange bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, garlic, cucumbers, tomatoes, portobello mushrooms. Slice all your vegetables and mince your garlic.
Broccoli sprouts.
On medium heat, add your olive oil to your pan for sauteing.
Add salt and pepper. Stir your onions. Add your sliced peppers.
Stir for a minute or two.
Add your minced garlic. Mix. Add your mushrooms.
Turn heat down to low heat.
Add half cup of coconut aminos.
Add teaspoon cumin powder.
Add teaspoon of onion powder.
Add 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast.
Mix well.
Apply lid and let steam for 2 to 3 minutes.
Your mixture is now ready.
Now let's assemble our healthy wraps. Place in plate or bowl your mixture.
Flatbread.
Here are some of the benefits of this healthy wrap. Pause the video if you need to read them slowly. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.
Thank you and shukran for watching.